Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to make apps bigger on iPhone iOS 18. So if you're running on latest iOS 18 and you want to make your iPhone apps bigger, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make apps bigger on iPhone iOS 18, all you just need to do is press and hold your iPhone home screen just like this. Then once you see all the applications shaking or wiggling, just go ahead and click on the edit button at the top left. Then click on customize. Now once you selected customize, here you have options to turn on light mode, dark mode and tinted mode. Then to make the apps bigger, just go ahead and click on large. Then once you selected large, you see the application bigger on your iPhone home screen, then you can just hit outside to hit the bar button. Then if you check the application, you discover that the application is not bigger and the apps label are no longer available. So to make the application bigger on your iPhone home screen, you need to hide the app label. And that is basically all you need to do when you want to make apps bigger on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.